the blogger behind Chellbee.com. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video, and thank you for subscribing. As always, you guys, today I am just dropping in actually sharing something a little bit different. I am going to be sharing my garden tour. If you follow me on Chellbee.com, then you likely seen the blog post about beginner guides. I'm sorry. You've likely seen my blog post on tips for beginning a garden indoors or just beginning a garden in general. And as I promised in that blog post, I was going to be sharing a garden tour. This tour is probably going to come in pretty late as far as time period wise. It's been a slow process for starting my garden. I started from seeds, and originally I planned on starting from potted plants. And if you know anything about gardening, or it just, I mean, with any kind of common sense, you probably know it takes longer to start with seeds. So my plants aren't as far along as I expected them to be at this point. So I'm going to show you where we are currently as far as the garden is concerned. Today is, my child is always making noise. Anyways, apparently she needs a YouTube channel. Today is April the 9th. I have already taken some of my seeds and potted them outside. So I'm going to show you what I have outside and how everything is looking so far. And then I'm going to come back in a month or two, depending on how everything grows. I don't know if it's going to thrive or not. We're going to see. I just wanted to encourage you that no matter where you live, my child, I cannot make this up. No matter where you live, you can garden and grow food for your family. This is our dining room table, and I have some seedlings that are still in my little seedling tray. It's like a little mini greenhouse. This is actually some neem oil that I bought that I'm going to treat our plants with to try to keep off the bugs. These actually need to be potted, but I keep forgetting to go and get more pots. Don't baby. Here, can you sit down for a second, because you're doing too much. Look at you. So I actually had some seeds that didn't grow at all. These were marigold flowers that didn't grow. This one is some lettuce. That's one tomato seedling that I kept in here that I need to go plant. This one is actually bell peppers. This one is more lettuce. Don't do that, baby. These are parsley, and this one is a Cosmo flower. It's 1 out of 3 that came out, so only one of my flowers came up. Now I am considering actually planting more seeds. I just haven't done it yet. I'm still trying to decide if I want to plant more and what more I'm going to plant. But these are our little seedling babies that we grew in the house. And I will show you my light, because I do need to take it back out and put it on these little buddies. So this is my grow light that I got from Amazon. I will make sure to link it below. I actually also got the neem oil from Amazon. Before I forget, I did just want to show you guys my homemade fertilizer. This is actually going to be it's water, and I basically fermented eggshells and banana peels along with water, and I just let them sit in this jar for a week, and then I took the eggshells and banana peels out, and I use this to fertilize my plants. So now that I showed you guys my little seedlings and my other little items that I have and used, I am going to take you outside to show you our container garden and how it's looking thus far. Like I said before, today is April the 9th, and I will be coming back in maybe a month or so to show you how everything is looking once things have grown out a little bit more. But I did want to show you where we are just right now.